Yo guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be doing one of the coolest MR2 modifications ever. Today we're gonna make this bitch look like a Porsche. So I went all the way to Houston. I filmed a little bit of it, but I don't know if I'm gonna post it. But the MR2 hardtop is in this car right here in the back of the trunk, and we're gonna install it onto the MR2 today. It's gonna be really cool. So this is the hardtop right here. We got all the hardware inside, but this is the actual hardtop. All the weather stripping is good. The paint is okay. It has been resprayed, so it sort of has some cracking and overspray, like right there, and then some cracking over there. If you guys think the hardtop is gonna look good on my car, make sure to leave a like on this video right now. This is gonna be a pretty easy install. We just have to cut out something right here, take these off, and then that's pretty much it. Just to let y'all know, this was only a part that was released in Japan and the UK, so this is super rare. So to get this is like one of my dreams for this car. All right. So I found this chicken in the garage, or whatever it is. We're not really sure what it is. Oh! Bro, look at that. All right, we're throwing this away. Sayonara moldy chicken. Oh, we got it? I got it. All right, guys, so we're gonna use the lighter for this, but we really don't have one. So David's just gonna try to go away with it. Make that shit look clean, though. I don't want some
I'm trying to.
junk ass shit, bro.
That's why I wanted a lighter.
Why don't you cut it like a steak?
Because I want to make it clean.
All right, good job, good job. That's the answer that I wanted. I was testing you.
One eternity later.
So we ended up trying to do it the ghetto way. We don't have a lighter right now, so we're just using a match. Also, a lot of y'all have been saying for me to drop some merch or something like that. I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be dropping some stickers soon. They're in the process of being made. I wanna drop them around like 1,000 subscribers or maybe 2,000. But first thing I wanna do is I wanna get this car looking real nice. After this video, I'll have the hardtop on. After that, I wanna get the body kit and the new Halo LED lights before I ever make any sticker, because this car is sort of lame without it. Damn, I need to clean my wheels. They're looking dirty. I don't think you can see it on camera though. You can't see it on camera, but these wheels are so dirty. So we decided to, in David's words, fuck it up. Is it looking good?
We're gonna sand it to make it clean.
All right, so now we decided to speed up the process. We got these 10 snips. We finally got that done, and now we're just gonna sand it down. Hopefully it looks good.
Wow, let me see if you have a file.
My mom's got one of those files to shave off her shit at the bottom of her toes. You think that'll work? Should I bring that out?
No.
My mom's got one of those things where she shaves all the dead skin off the bottom of her toe. And I think David wants to use it over here.
No, I don't.
Did you find a file or no? Oh wow. David just found everything in this small ass toolbox. If y'all seen in my other videos, I use like kitchen knives and shit, and that's because my toolbox doesn't have a lot of tools in it. I literally have like a whole 10 tools in there and a bunch of junk.
You give me Coke?
Yeah, I know. Don't look at that. That's my dad. Whenever he drives this car, after every single drive, there's always Coke in there.
That's great.
It's all his damn vitamins. See, Dad, look, this is the cocaine I'm always telling you about, Dad. You drive my car once, and then boom, cocaine in there.
That's not cocaine, that's crack.
Using a drill now.
Great update.
You know, I just gotta let y'all know. Next step is we got to do these. So we got the long one up top, short one at the bottom, and it goes right here. It's gonna be easy. Can't tell if I'm doing a lefty loosey or righty tighty.
What do you mean you can't tell?
I don't know which one's which.
Turn it right.
How do I know what's right? Clockwise. It's sort of hard to tell like this, David. All right, yeah, we're good. So while David over there is drawn on my damn plastic. I'm gonna be taking these off. These are the back clips. Come on, Poppy. Oh, there we go. And then Toyota cover this bitch up, so we're gonna have to unplug it. Ah, hurt a little bit. Ooh. They got on my fingernail and just clipped me. So I'm gonna try to not scratch this bolt if I ever want to put it back. So I'm gonna put tape inside or around. I'm gonna put it around here so that it won't scratch the paint. Isn't that how it works, David?
I don't know what you're trying to do, to be honest with you.
I'm trying to not scratch the paint.
On the bolt?
Yeah.
Just who cares? It's a bolt.
I care.
You're not gonna get it off.
I'm gonna get it off. I'm gonna show you.
Alright, get it off then.
All right, that's not working. That's not working at all. That's gonna be super gentle. Boom. These clips are a little banged up, but who cares? Oh, you see that?
No.
I caught that. You're a bad filmer. You didn't even catch that. I caught that. One in the millennium I catch it, you don't even. You know, when I used to play football with my friends, you know what they make me do? They just made me run up and down the field. That's all I did. That's all I did was just run up and down the field because I couldn't catch nothing.
Were you able to get this bolt in?
No, I'm just tightening one of them now.
You can get it with a flathead. Perfect.
Not bad. All right, guys, so we finally finished everything. We got the chrome pieces on right here and on that side. And then we got these on. We're still leaving these loose so that we can put the top on and then adjust it. And I think we're done. I think we're gonna go get the top right now. All right, guys, so it's finally done and it looks super cool. Look at that. That looks so nice, especially from the side. What is this, like a Maserati? Oh my God, is that a new Ferrari coming by? People have been telling me my car looks like a Porsche. Now it's gonna look like a Maserati. Looks even better now. All right, guys, so let me know. Leave a like in the comment section. Leave a like if you guys think the top looks really nice. I think from this angle right here, it looks really, really mean. And also from the back. And then from the front, I don't know. It just matches the body. It has this little thing right there. That just makes the car look so much better. So we're gonna go do some rollers now and see how the car looks on the road. That's the end of the video. I have nothing else to show you guys today. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You know, I don't know what to do. What should I do? All right, I'm gonna do that hit the camera thing. Boom.